this idiot behind me now. What's up, guys? Great kayak trip. Hi, my name is Derek Salamanca, and today, me and my friend Mike are going to kayak the entire length of the Little Hoosick River. Homo on the river. God damn it. Hey, shorts, bro.
You know what you're doing?
Nope.
Oh my god.
This is where the Little Hoosick starts. At Misery Mountain Farms. Say hi to the cows. The river starts down there. So we're up towards the beginning of the river, but this is a dam, and it does not look like the river is going to be deep enough, so we're gonna have to start farther downstream. Funny, the river that we're about to go down has a fishing and swimming advisory, so we're probably gonna die. Kind of near the old bridgeway, which is now broken down. We're also near the high school over that way. All right, here we go. Yeah, we're fucking cruising, baby. We got this 5-class Raptors or whatever they call it, bro. Good start. We're already walking. We made it to our first underpass, and we're gonna probably walk it. There is Mike showing us how it's done. It's the only deep part in the river so far.
Gun show, gun show.
All right, let's see if we can make it over these rapids, bro. Yeah, class 5. Woo! Ah, watch out. Good thing the river wasn't raging. There's fucking barbed wire across the river here, and Mike thinks it's electric. And it might be with those yellow things on it. But we gotta go twice across. Nice hike in the river. We came upon another problem. A straight off dam. Maybe I should bring my canoe this way. Kayak.
Knock me over, homo.
Good. Just a little bit sketchy. Not gonna lie, the first part of this trip sucks. We have been walking our kayaks like dogs through the river for an hour now. We have not sat down and kayaked one bit. Woo! We are finally kayaking, ladies and gentlemen. First time in 3 hours. Found a beaver dam. What's up, Mike? Go navigate through those trees over there. See the tree where the beavers were gnawing on. You can hear the waterfall. We're gonna go in there.
Well, the beavers eat their shit like 3 times. Just navigating the Ozarks here. I mean the Adirondacks.
This is the definition of hold my beer, ladies and gentlemen. Mike is gonna fucking send it down this drop off. Nothing will go wrong for sure. Mike!
No!
Pussy!
You get
Why do you have so much water in your canoe?
I know!
We get around the rapids. Nice shorts, bro.
Thanks.
Oh, look, you got a deep part. Geez, you better get in the boats and enjoy it. Bye. Yeah, you got nowhere.
Well, it's only a matter of time before it picks up.
No, it gets worse.
I hope it's not like that all the way. You guys are gonna get a lot of exercise today.
Yeah, this is the biggest length we've done so far without getting out. Walking in the sexy shorts. Mike's draining the boat. The amount of poison ivy and poison oak or whatever I'm probably gonna have is gonna be pretty high. So we stopped to check out the bridge. Yeah, jump. All right. Mike navigating the trees. And he's about to flip sideways. No, is he gonna get out? Is he gonna stuff it through? Oh,
Beer in hand.
Oh, beer in hand, he says. Oh, he's doing good. He's doing good. Can he navigate this branch here, though? He is gonna have to do the limbo. Oh, he broke it. With his huge ass muscles, he just ripped that tree branch right to pieces. Good job, bro. It's about the film about how we were cruising, but we're now banging into each other. Paddle, bro. What the fuck? I'm filming. How dare you? Keep up the good work, bro. We're cruising now. Life on the river. Yeah, I think you are hung up on something. Beaver dam up there. I don't see any beavers though. So we made it. This is a beaver dam. It's up there. It got real shallow, like inches. There's a man-made dam down here we got to go across. Another man-made dam. This water's brown as shit.
I bet you're killing Mike. He's not used to all this. You made it. You're halfway there.
All right. Made it to a little local swimming hole. You can jump off and you can rope swing. A bunch of the locals gave us some beer. We're taking a break from kayaking.
Oh my God.
All right, homo, let's see what you got. Oh, he's stuck already. No, I know you're gay. You scream like a girl.
There's our sandwich, our poor sandwich. Paid money to do nothing with it. Food for the fishes. And one of the many bridges we've been going under. The water is definitely easier. We're about 4 miles down now. We should have gotten in a mile ago. Come on, you stupid fucker. Mike!
Oh my God. There you go. Whoa, you're almost there. Oh yeah, you're rocking now. Oh my Lord. Derek, turn that thing around.
Mike is so bad at kayaking that he flipped it over, got it filled with water, and now he's got to drain it like an asshole. Here, let's zoom in on his stupidity here. Let's, oh, apparently you can't zoom in on selfie mode. Off selfie mode, we're gonna zoom in on his stupidity. He said he also spilled his beer. That's how dumb he is. Yeah, I mean, it's not even a raging river. Like, it's like the flattest river in the world, and you flipped over. Oh, what'd you do then? It got hung up. Complete. A ride back home has arrived. So today we did, it's a 6-mile drive, so the river winds. So maybe 12 miles worth of river in 5 hours. The first part was the worst because we walked for probably 2 miles worth of the first part. And then the rest after that. Since the Berlin Elementary School, we didn't get out except for like down trees. This is my favorite photograph from the first day of our trip.
It's a boo day.
Kayaking trip day number 2. That's gross, Mike. About to do 18 miles today, something like that.
18?
Yeah.
That was less.
Just found a tire swing. Mike's gonna show us how it's done. It's way deeper than you think there, even though Mike's ankle deep water. So much fun. Little rapid section up here. Mike's gonna show us how it's done first. Hopefully I don't fall holding the camera. Nicely done, Mike. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, high centering on some rocks. Oh, this is a bad idea. Oh shit. Just put my phone away. Woohoo! Easy peasy. We just came to our first set of real rapids. Pulling prickers out of his hand, he just fell. Mike Cashin, ladies and gentlemen, you can already tell that my video is better than his. This dirty dickhead. I'm peeing in the water right now, so when it goes by. Yes! Woo! You got it, you got it! Woo!
Alright, here goes Derek down the whitewater. I hope he spills everything. There's a good start. There's a good start. Look at his face. Boats. He's committed now. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Alright, we made it to the Big Bridge waterfall, but we're not going to kayak. We got our kayaks over there. Mom's up on the bridge filming. You can see her there. We're going to show you what a big ass waterfall looks like. This is what we're definitely not going to be going down. Used to jump off here as a kid. that's the big bridge waterfall. We're underneath the big bridge. And now I'm gonna go cliff jump off these cliffs.
Here comes Derek and Mike. And they're going to go down that, I'm sure. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, buddy!
Oh. All right, you're next.
About to get up close and personal with Mike Catch Dog. He's about to attempt these rapids. Say hi to Mom. See if he can do it. Hopefully I don't drop his phone in the water. About to do the limbo. Uh-oh, now I'm stuck in a rock. Oh, God damn it, God damn it, God damn it. Oh. We are a couple hours down from the Petersburg-Berlin line. This is the Broken Wheel campground where people like bring their RVs and stuff and just camp for the summer. So me and Mike are emptying out our canoes or kayaks because for some reason these little rapids made us fill up the water. It is officially pouring out. We're taking some refuge underneath the bridge right now. We'll call my mom and tell her to bring us some warm clothes when we're done, because we're almost there. I saw this field look really pretty in the rain. So we made it to Prospect Mountain Road. It's pouring rain, we're freezing. Mike's hating life and wants to go home. He's calling Mom. My mom's on the way with sandwiches and rain gear and a change of clothes. Mike thinks we're going home. I'm gonna continue. I ain't no bitch. Mom came and rescued us.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
We got the heat on to 80. She made us sandwiches and everything. So cold outside. What does it say outside? It is 62 degrees outside.
It's a good thing I didn't
And
say
pouring
to
rain.
You guys later. I'm going shopping or something.
No, seriously, we would have just died.
You would have.
Me and Mike have gone from sexy shorts to sexy pants and sexy rain jackets because it's cold as shit now. Mom came and saved the day. She's over there checking out the river. We got 3 more miles to go, so an hour and a half. Well, 2 hours. Let's go for 2 hours. Found this crazy ass farm. My friend said, or Mike says, he thinks it's hops for beer. Look at all these vultures. There's one there. Can you see them on the roof? There's a bunch over here. Look at a bunch of them. All right, Mike says we're coming up on another river. We just went under the bridge. That should be the mark of we are done. But I don't know for sure yet, honestly. I've never been to where they meet. There it is. Big Hoosick River. And I'm hitting rocks again. What a way to end this party. Alright, we did it. We have met the Hoosick River. Nice view in the background. That is a little Hoosick. And that's where it meets the big Hoosick. We did it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Again, my name's Derek Salamanca. This is Kylie. I just want to do a huge thank you for my mom and my friend Mike. My mom drove the entire length of the river. She stopped at every bridge to say hi to us. She brought us sandwiches. She saved our asses. We were freezing. Brought us rain gear. Mike, thank you for coming. I know you hated a lot of this trip because a lot of it was walking and a lot of it was very cold. Also, a quick shout out to Kasan for lending me his kayak. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you. But I had a blast. This is a river that I literally grew up on. My entire life I was on this river. That big waterfall was my backyard, legit. And it's something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I finally put it into action. And part of it sucked, and part of it was wonderful. But I'm really glad I did it. I finally got to see the river I grew up on in its entirety. Thanks for watching, everybody. Subscribe. We got more adventure videos coming out. I just don't know when.